What is going on, everyone? Got a video here to share with all of you on how to reset the Apple AirPods Pro. So maybe your AirPods Pro can't connect, or they won't charge, or you're trying to fix a different issue with them. The very first thing you want to do is put your AirPods Pro in the case and then close the lid to the case, and you want to leave the lid closed for 30 seconds. Once you've waited 30 seconds, you can go ahead and open the lid to the case. And then over here on your device, now some of you may be using an iPad or an iPod Touch. You may or may not get a pop-up depending on what issue you're having or you're trying to fix. You want to go ahead and bypass that and go around that message. Go ahead and go into settings on your device. Go to Bluetooth, and then you want to come under My Devices and look for your AirPods Pro. Mine says Jamie's AirPods Pro. Over here, there is a little blue circle with an eye in it. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Then you want to choose Forget This Device. You get a pop-up down here, and you want to select Forget Device. And you'll get another pop-up, choose Forget Device. Once you've done that, go back to the home screen. Now we're gonna move on to actually resetting the AirPods. So you do this with the lid open. So what you wanna do is on the back, and I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can get a look at this. There's a little circle, and it's kind of flush. I don't know if you can see it. It's really kind of difficult to see. It's a white color and it's flush with the back. Once you find that little circle back there, what you want to do is you want to press and hold that for 15 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and press and hold that circle in for 15 seconds. And then that light that's flickering right there should turn like an amber color. Okay, so there it changed to an amber color. What you want to do then is release the button back there and then set these next to your device. So if you have your AirPods now set next to your device and you didn't get a pop-up and you have the lid open, go ahead and close the lid and reopen the lid, or maybe take them out, put them back in, close it, reopen the lid. Just go through that little process, maybe reboot your device, and you should get a pop-up over here letting you reconnect now. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the little process here and connect. You should then get like a green light over here and some stuff popping up here. I'm gonna go ahead and close out of that and just go into the settings under Bluetooth again. And I want to take a look and see if it's in the list. And what you want to do is just look under My Devices and see if it's in the list. Mine is, so I know I'm all good there. So I'm going to go back out here to the home screen. And that's pretty much all I had for you. You should be able to use your AirPods at this point. If you're experiencing further issues, you may have to troubleshoot and try some other methods. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Mine got reconnected here perfectly fine, and it's showing me all the percentages. If you did and you enjoyed the video, hit the like button for me and maybe share it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.